Imagine a world where your fridge pays for its own electricity. Thanks to blockchain technology, smart appliances can now participate in energy-saving programs. These devices use smart contracts to automatically buy and sell energy credits based on their usage. When your fridge uses less power, it earns credits that can be traded on a decentralized energy market. This not only saves money but also reduces carbon footprints. Blockchain ensures transparency and security, making it a game-changer in energy management. It's a fascinating blend of technology and sustainability, showing how digital finance can impact everyday life.